Healthy morning, students. Today we are going to solve question 8 of exercise 14.1. Today we will use direct method to find out mean. Say we can solve sum of mean by applying any method. Whether you are applying direct method, assuming method or state deviation method. In all type of method you will get same answer. But step deviation method is comparatively easy to find out mean, but we can apply direct method whenever two conditions are there. If class size is not same, like in this sum, check it out. Class size is difference of two upper limit, 10 minus 6 4, 14 minus 10 4. Here class size same, but check it out, this two upper limit, 20 minus 14 6, 28 minus 28, 38 minus 28 10, 40 minus 38 2. So here class size for each class is not same. So such kind of sum can be easily solved by applying direct method. The formula to find out direct method is mean x bar equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Let us solve this sum. Here first row of the question will be class and second row of the question will be frequency. Let us find out class mark by applying formula. We know the formula, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Here lower limit 0 plus upper limit 6 divided by 2. It will be 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. For this class lower limit 6, upper limit 10. So 6 plus 10 divided by 2 equals to 16 divided by 2. It will be equals to 8. Here lower limit 10 plus upper limit 14 divided by 2 equals to 24 divided by 2 equals to 12. Here lower limit 14 plus upper limit 20 divided by 2 equals to 34 divided by 2 equals to 17. Here lower limit 20 plus upper limit 28 divided by 2 equals to 48 divided by 2 equals to 24. Here lower limit 28 plus upper limit 38 divided by 2 equals to 66 divided by 2 equals to 33. Lower limit 38 plus upper limit 40 divided by 2 equals to 78 divided by 2 equals to 39. Say here these all are the frequencies. Let us add these all frequencies. It will be 40. Now fourth column is of fi into xi. These all are the fi and these all are the xi's. Let us multiply them. 3 11s are 33. Here 8 10s are 80. 12 7s are 84. Here 17 4s are 68. 24 4s are 96. 33 3s are 99 and 39 1s are 39. See here it is sigma fi xi. Sigma stand for sum of fi xi. If we add these all fi xi, it will be 499. Now let us apply formula of direct mean, which is x bar equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Here we have sigma fi xi 499 upon sigma fi, which is 40. Simple. By dividing 499 by 40 you will get the answer. Let us do this division. 499 divided by 40. Say 40 ones are 40. 49 minus 40, it will be 9. Now here we'll put down 9, so it will be 99. Now 40 2s are 80. So 99 minus 80, it will be 19. Now we'll write 0, so it will be 190 and point in the answer. Now 44s are 160. (190 minus 160), it will be 30. Now one more 0. 47s are 280. 300 minus 280, it will be 20. Now we'll write one more 0. It will be 200. So 400 5s 200. So here we have answer 12.475. So 12.475 is a mean of this question. Go through whole answer once again. Thank you.